Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I bring one more video on sunlight, which is uses of sunlight. Please understand, I am giving two steps here. Please follow this. You will understand what is the importance of sunlight. Okay, first one is sunbath. Sunbath means you have to stay 1 to 2 hours daily, morning or evening, whenever you free, whenever the sun heat is less. 1 to 2 hours you have to make like a habit. 1 to 2 hours must have to stay in sunlight with maximum body exposure or very thin cotton wear, or you can expose body maximum in the sunlight. You can make it as daily habit. You will see the improvement a lot in 2 to 3 months time. If we bath outside, that is bathing outside, cleaning is outside. If you stay in sun, that will be bathing inside of our body. Morning or evening 1 to 2 hours with maximum exposure of body. More digestive juices only available in our body when sun is available. So we have to take food only before sunset. But most of the people dinner is taking dinner around 11, 12 o'clock in the evening. But it's not correct, it's absolutely unhealthy. We have to complete the dinner, we have to take the food only when sun is available. You can take any animal, they take only, not non-vegetarian animals. You can take vegetarian animals. Vegetarian animals will take food only when sun is available. Okay, our digestive juices are more active when sun is available because the link. If you stay in the sun 1 to 2 hours daily, asthma, bronchitis will go off automatically in 2 to 3 months. The mucus, asthma, bronchitis will come with due to mucus. The mucus will go off automatically if you do sunbath for 2 to 3 months. Make it as a habit. We can prepare D vitamin. When sunlight is touch your skin, our skin will prepare D vitamin. We can't get D vitamin from the sunlight. When sunlight is on the surface of skin, our skin will prepare the D vitamin. D vitamin, no need to take any synthetic tablets or anything. Just stay in sun 1 to 2 hours, we get lot of D vitamin. D vitamin deficiency, so many patients are using tablets or supplements. It's absolutely not required. If we stay in sun for 1 to 2 hours, D vitamin automatically, plenty of D vitamin we can get it. If you have back pain, you can just stay in the sun 1.5 hour or 1 hour or 2 hours in the morning or evening to expose a back side of our body to the sun. Automatically in 2 to 3 months back pain also will go up. Major cancer patients recently done a research in USA. Cancer also will reduce if you stay 2 to 3 hours in sun every day. Okay, next sun gazing. How to use sunlight? I am giving here two methods. One is sunbath, one is sun gazing. Sunbath means you have to stay in the sun with maximum body exposure 1 to 2 hours, morning or evening, whenever you free, whenever you comfortable, in balcony or outside, on the top, wherever is possible. Make it as a habit to improve your health. Next one is sun gazing. Sun gazing means you have to see the sun directly 5 to 15 minutes. Initially you can see start with 5 minutes, after that you can increase up to 15 minutes. Sun gazing we have to do only in the morning after sunrise before 1 hour, or before sunset 1 hour before sunset. when only morning and evening. After sunrise before 1 hour or before 1 hour before sunset. We have to see the sun directly with our eyes, 5 minutes to 15 minutes. We can practice with 5 minutes. When you see the sun electromagnetic power will activate our brain. See, our cataract, eye cataract will be improved. Our eyesight will be reduced. Brain activated with sun electromagnetic power. Health improved a lot. Hunger will be reduced. Addictions will go up definitely. I seen this sun gazing. I seen with so many of my clients, my patients. Lot of improvement is there. In 2 months, if our eyesight is 2.5, after 2 months, one of my patient came down to 1.5. Only with sun gazing. So many benefits with sun gazing. If sun gazing continue practice daily, the person will go to spiritual path. This is the best way to go to spiritual path. All addictions will go off. Sun gazing is very useful to human body. When you see the sun directly, the sun power will be activated in your brain. Automatically your hunger also will come down because of we are getting power from sun. So friends, so you can see so many benefits of benefits with sunlight. With sunlight, all the bone related diseases, the body will be use properly calcium. So bone related diseases will go off automatically. Lot of benefits is there in the sun. So please stay in the sun 1 to 2 hours as daily habit. It is free and 100% pure. You can't get any cancer, you can't get any UV something, all are bullshit. You can't get anything. You can stay in sun. That will be very healthy. It's free and make it as daily habit. Thank you very much. It's very new channel. I'm requesting you all kindly subscribe and share. I'm trying to help people with knowledge, whatever knowledge I have. I am little bit slow in English. I will improve slowly. Please understand, please share my videos, please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you very much.